In this lesson, we're going to learn how to apply color to features. Click Edit, Appearance, and select Color. Here we can apply different colors to faces, surfaces, bodies, and features. I'm going to select Features. I'm going to select the color yellow, and now you can see the color appears in the eyedropper box. I'll click on this fillet and on this one. We can also create custom colors. Click on Color Properties, Optical Properties. This area is where you adjust the transparency, the ambience, diffusion, basically other types of parameters of light. The last option, Configurations. We can choose one of three options: this configuration, all configurations, or specify the configurations that we want to apply this color selection to. Click OK. In our next lesson, we'll learn how to apply texture.